Today's video, I'll show you how to change your email address in Miro. Whether you have switched providers or simply need to update your contact details. Keeping your account info current is essential for smooth access and security. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Let's begin by opening your Miro dashboard. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings or Profile Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your personal information. Once inside your profile details, scroll down until you find your email address field. Right beside it, you'll notice an option that says Change Email. Click on that to proceed. Now enter the new email address you want to use. Double check for typos to ensure everything's correct. Then Miro will ask for your current password. This is just a security step to verify your identity. After entering it, click Update Email. Miro will then send a confirmation link to your new email inbox. Open that email and click Confirm your email address to verify the change. You may also be asked to log in again using your old email just to complete the transition securely. Finally, Miro will send a notification to your old email confirming that your email address was successfully changed. A good extra layer of security. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email address in Miro. Keeping your contact info up to date helps protect your account and ensures you never miss important updates. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more easy Miro guides.